In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make search engines rank your Lovable website. We'll walk through a simple prompt-driven workflow inside your project so you can get clear, actionable SEO guidance without disrupting your design or content until you're ready. Start by opening the project you want to make SEO ready. Once you're in the dashboard, load the specific site or app you want to improve. Take a quick moment to confirm the main pages you care about are present and loading properly. Knowing your homepage, key landing pages, and any blog or documentation sections will help the next step be more targeted. You don't have to change anything here. Just make sure you're in the right project and can see the area where you'll enter prompts. Next, type a prompt that asks for SEO optimization guidance without making automatic edits. The goal is to get an audit and a prioritized plan first. You can say something like, audit this project for SEO and return a prioritized checklist. Focus on page titles, meta descriptions, H1s and H2s, image alt text, internal linking, URL structure, and opportunities for structured data. Flag any technical blockers like slow load times or missing canonical tags. Do not change anything yet, just provide recommendations and sample copy. This keeps things non-destructive and gives you clear suggestions you can review at your own pace. If you already have a primary keyword or audience, include that context in your prompt so the recommendations align with your goals. You can craft this prompt yourself or get help from AI to shape it. If you use AI assistance, feed it a bit of context first. Your target audience, a few sample keywords or topics, any competitors you keep an eye on, and constraints like maintain brand voice or no visual changes. Ask for a concise, structured prompt that emphasizes an audit-first approach and requests examples you can copy and paste later. If you prefer to write it yourself, be specific about scope. Name the pages to analyze, request short and long versions of titles and descriptions, and ask for measurable prioritized tasks so you know what to tackle first. Once the recommendations come back, review them against your goals. Keep what fits, park what doesn't, and iterate by asking for refinements. You can request alternative title options, more keyword variations, or a tighter checklist focused on quick wins. That's it. Congratulations. You've used a clear, controlled prompt to prepare your Lovable project for strong search performance without changing a thing until you're confident.